Today we took over the Uproot food truck here at a watershed project in Adams County.
My name is Heather Gayton. I am the lead farmer for Farmers of the Rocher Cree. We bring people together on the watershed. We live here, we want to drink the water. We all share this resource. So how do you take care of the resource that allows you to, yes, be profitable in your operation, but also sustainable? I'm really excited to be hosting another farm event. Let's give Chef Elena Terry a huge round of applause.
I'm the executive chef and founder of the nonprofit Wild Berries. One of the reasons we decided to make what we made, which was a watershed bowl, was really to put a spotlight on why the work is being done in cleaning waterways, in bringing these resources that we once had back, like wild rice or some of these root vegetables that right now for harvest are incredible. Because we do a lot of advocacy for sustainability, for reclamation, for traditional practices, and really trying to bring our biosystem back to what it once was.
We have the artist here, Sarah Peterson, is here with us, which is incredible. If you want to pull that sheet out, so
I met with Heather to paint this mural. We wanted to incorporate all kinds of native plants and animals, and it really focused on the Little Rocher Creek.
When it comes to this resource, it's worth protecting. It's worth working together and having the difficult conversations. We are a collaborative group of farmers. I think coming together around things that we have in common, setting aside egos or differences and really being open to learning, that's what it's about. And I think it's important for people to show up and listen and really just be aware of really what the resource is needing. And I think that's cooperation and people working together.